Good morning, students. This morning we had studied about posture plays a very significant role in our daily life activities. In fact, posture is the position where we hold our body upright against gravity while standing, sitting, walking, running, and even lying down. Therefore, the force of gravity acts upon our body constantly. If these muscles of our body are weak, we may suffer from postural deformities such as kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, bow-legged, knock-knee, and flat-footed. Owing to these postural deformities, our working efficiency usually get reduced. What is our working efficiency? The working efficiency, the day to day work we are doing, every day we are doing, and every hour, every minute we are doing some work. This work, doing work, get affected if we do not have good posture. The correct posture, to know about correct posture and bad posture, how to correct posture, we have to study the various kind of exercise, the various kind of physical activity we do. The kyphosis, lordosis, and scoliosis are the deformities of bones. Deformities of bones when we do not have a proper posture of our body. Concept of correct posture. What is correct posture? The concept of correct posture means the balancing of body means the balancing of body in accurate and proper manner while sitting, standing, reading, writing, or doing any other action. The first impression of an individual is based on how he stand, sit, and walk. Proper posture, the whole body weight is balanced on both feet without any effort, and entire body appears to be in a vertical line. In a vertical line, when we are standing in statics position, view of every, what is it means? A good posture is one in which the body is so balanced as to produce least fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness when we do many works. When we have a good posture, we can balance as to produce least fatigue. We can work for a long time. Posture may also be defined as the assumed position which enables the body to perform or function effectively. The correct posture may assume the assumed position which enables the body to perform or function effectively. This is a concept of posture. For example, if the body is allowed to submit to force of gravity, the connective tissue of a muscles along antagonistic to the exterior muscle will tend to shorten. Due to this, there may be a less flexibility. Normal function will be inhibited, which may in turn encourage additional undesirable change. This is one of the example. Downward gravity pull of gravity is a force that is capable of causing changes in various parts of the body when we fifth position is assumed. These changes affect the skeletal system. This may change alignment of bone, levers at various joints. Correct posture of standing. In the standing position, both the heels of the feet should be meet each other, as I had given an example in a class. Toes of the feet should be 3 in to 4 in. The whole part should be erect, straight knee, chin inside, chest forward, and the belly backward, and press inside with equal body weight on the both feet. From the line of center, balanced in the position. From the side, the line center, the gravity of mass passes through the ear, shoulder, hips, knee, and ankle. In such a position, the muscles and ligaments remain free of stress. If you will have a correct posture, as you can see in a diagram, correct posture and incorrect posture of standing. Incorrect posture, you can see the straight alignment, and this will help our ligaments and muscles in movements and in standing. Here you can see incorrect posture. Here you can see incorrect posture, that is shown by red color. Why this posture is incorrect? Because the way the picture is shown is tilting towards forward. Here you can see erect and accurate. Here you can see the shoulder is bent and the vertebral column is bending. Correct posture of sitting. Correct posture of sitting. When we sit in a chair or hips, we should be as far back in a chair as possible. Head, spinal column, shoulder and hips should be in a straight line and erect. Legs should be touch the ground and should not be in a hanging position. Hanging position as shown. In a figure, most of the students they sit like this at a class, but the correct way is sitting is this 2-1. The approx distance between the book and the eye should be at least 30 centimeter. What distance should be between eyes and books? 30 centimeter. If we do not follow this rule, then eye problem may occur. For writing, a table with a slight inclination towards the outside is appropriate. Slight inclination towards the outside is appropriate. So we had students, we had came to know about correct posture of standing and correct posture of sitting. How we should stand and what are the benefits and what is the center of gravity, why the center of gravity is important, why the center of gravity is important, and what help we get from the center of gravity if the posture is correct. The muscles and the ligaments remain free of stress muscles and ligaments of our body because they are directly connected to the different and various parts of our body to especially connected to the joints. And in correct posture of sitting we had came to know how we should sit in a chair and what will be the distance the book between the book and the eye. At least there should be a 30 centimeter gap. Advantage of correct posture. A correct posture plays a vital role in every fact of a life. It enhances the personality of an individual. First is physical appearance. It is a natural that every individual wants to have a good physical appearance. We always want to live good and beautiful. A good posture leaves a lasting impression upon others. Grace and efficiency of movements. Physical posture plays a vital role in a field of sports and games. Because why? Because sports and games involve various types of movements. Physical fitness. Physical fitness is essential to live a productive life. The balance, coordination, like flexibility, the components of physical fitness, these components can be attained easily by an individual who has a correct posture. What will have? Who has a correct posture? Economic value, hygiene, social value, prevent disorders and disease, hygienic value. A correct posture initially gives confidence from the health point of view. Correct posture assists in reducing back pain, headaches, and spinal problems. Preventing disorders and disease. It is very important how posture can from prevent you from disorder or disease. As a result of a poor or a bad posture, constipation, diarrhea, disturbance of a circulation, nerve irritability, and most marked of all fatigue out of proportion to the effort expended. Poor posture badly affects functioning of our body systems. A correct posture prevents lower back pain, neck strain, constipation, diarrhea, disturbance in blood circulation, irritation. We can prevent if we have a correct posture. Social value. The correct posture is appropriate everywhere. Individuals who have good posture are usually admired in society. Why they are admired? Because they have a good physique and good posture. Economic value. A correct posture has an economic value to its credit. A person of good posture makes less expenditure of energy while performing any type of activity in comparison to the person with a bad posture. So students, this is all about postures and it is very important. Later on we will study how we will correct the posture and how we can correct posture deformities.